In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a brochure in HoneyBook, Client Introduction 2026. First, open your browser and head over to honeybook.com. This is where everything happens, from files and templates to sending client-ready materials. Once you're on the site, log into your HoneyBook account. If you're prompted for any security verification, such as a code sent to your device, complete that to keep your account secure and proceed. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this page as your command center. From here, you can quickly access projects, files, and recent activity. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is your gateway to everything you'll need today. Click on Files in the left sidebar. This takes you to your document library. To see everything available, choose All Files. This view displays your templates, recent files, and anything you've created or saved, so it's easy to find your brochure. In the Recent Files area, select the brochure you created earlier. If you haven't made one yet, you can also start from a template. HoneyBook templates are a great starting point. Clean, professional, and easy to customize. When you find the one you want, select your preferred template and click Edit this template. If you're just organizing your options for later, you can use Quick Save so it appears in your recent template files. But for now, let's move ahead with editing. Make any final updates to the content, images, or branding to match your client introduction. When everything looks good, click Share in the top right. This opens the Share panel where you'll set up how the brochure is delivered. If you want an extra layer of security, enable client verification so recipients confirm their identity when they sign or make a payment. Add your recipient in the email to field and include any additional participants who need visibility, like a team member. You may see AI-generated suggestions for the subject line and message. Review these and adjust the subject to something clear and welcoming, then add a short note that explains what the brochure includes and what you'd like the client to do next. Double-check the recipient's details, make sure the correct version of the brochure is attached, and preview if needed. When everything is set, click Send. As a final tip, consider sending a test to yourself first, to see how it looks on desktop and mobile, and confirm that all links and images display correctly. And that's it. Your HoneyBook brochure is on its way.